Every second, thousands of times a day, a transformation occurs. This is the precision-engineered journey.
It begins with the cherry, the fruit of the Arabica tree, hand-selected for the specific density and sugar content required for the Starbucks profile.
Sorted, washed, and dried. These green beans are now ready for the most critical phase, the Maillard reaction.
Precision heating triggers the Maillard reaction, a chemical dance between amino acids and reducing sugars that creates the foundation of coffee flavor. At the precise second of peak flavor, the beans are released. This is the art of the roast, perfected by science.
Roasted beans must breathe. In these controlled silos, we monitor the release of CO2, a
Consistency is the signature of Starbucks. Every grain of ground coffee is measured to within microns to ensure the perfect extraction in every cup.
From a single bean to 5,000 gallons of perfection, the formula is complete. Now, the world awaits.
In the world of Starbucks, heat is for the roast, never for the seal. We use ultrasonic waves to lock in flavor without affecting the bean's delicate chemistry. Speed, scale, and precision. Whether it's a bean, a pod, or a bottle, the Starbucks standard remains the same: absolute consistency. Precision at the molecular level. Our microground technology ensures that even our instant coffee carries the soul of the Starbucks roastery.
From the first cherry picked to the final pallet stacked, every step is a testament to the Starbucks promise of quality.
Beyond the bean is the data. We monitor the molecular extraction,
The final authority is always the human palate. Every batch must pass the Sirens test, a sensory evaluation.
Science, art, and precision. Verified. The batch is released. The journey to your cup is nearly complete.
Arigato.
Thank you.
Gracias.
谢谢。
谢谢。
from farm to factory and factory to the world. This is the science of the bean, the art of the roast,